this video, you're gonna see us shoot the deer. You're gonna see us collect the deer, gut it, hang it up, and then put it in their freezers. Well, it's 4:30 in the morning and we're on our way to do some deer hunting. Today is the opener for modern gun season here in Kentucky, and our objective today is to shoot a deer so we can put it in the freezer. Well, it is super foggy outside and I'm hoping this lifts fairly soon, but I doubt it will.
Well, it's currently 8:45 in the morning. I have not seen anything. I think I would have had more meat in the freezer by now if I would have taken a 22 long rifle. There is a bunch of squirrels out here.
I wasn't having the best of luck out here on the farm, so I moved to private property not too far from the house. They've had deer come out and drink from this pond behind their house consistently for the past couple of weeks, and I didn't see much there until about 4:15 in the evening. Two deer walk out of the woods munching on acorns that they find on the ground as they move towards the pond. See by the video, but I'm going to wait a little bit longer and I'm going to see if I can go to where I shot it, see if I can find the blood trail, but it definitely ran off. But I shot it right there in front of that brush pile and it ran over there. Give it a little bit longer and we'll see. Well, I found her. Doesn't look very big from here, maybe a yearling, but it's meat in the freezer. So I've been watching her for a little bit. She's probably about 20 yards in front of me and she hasn't kicked in a while, so I think she's down.
Is he down? We just killed. Is he down?
Upon further investigation, the deer that I thought was a doe turned out to be a button buck. I was going for a doe, but at that distance, it's hard to tell that it was not, in fact, a doe.
Is it really?
Now that I have the deer skin gutted and everything, it's time to hang it up. And I'll show you what we have. We have these 2 hooks in here, and I've got these, actually came off of a barbecue grill for your scraper and all that. And these work great. You can hook them in back tendon, and make sure not to cut your tendons, because this is how you would hang it. It's not the biggest deer. It is probably the smallest deer I've ever killed, but it's meat in the freezer. It's not a whole lot. I still have 1 weekend left where I'm gonna hopefully go out and try to get another one of a bigger size that'll kind of offset what I did kill. So if you do like this video, you can check out this one. It is everything that I have in my hunting bag for deer season, and kind of give you an idea, if you've never been before, what you'll need, and then you can build or take away from that. So if you like this video, make sure to check out that one, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.